Hi! Today we're learning the phrasal verb even something out. It means to make something smooth or equal. You can use it for physical things or ideas. For example, you can even out a bumpy road, or even out your work hours. The structure is easy. You say even, then the object, then out. For example, even out the soil or even the soil out. Both are correct. Be careful not to mix the order. You can say she evened out the frosting, not she out evened the frosting. Even something out is like smooth out, but a bit more general. It can mean balancing things, not just making them smooth. Try to use it when talking about balancing or fixing something. Now, try to make a sentence with even something out. Great. Keep practicing and you'll get it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.